Hello and welcome to this video. In today's short tutorial, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain with your Bluehost WordPress hosting. So if you want to get a domain and also hosting for a very good discount price, you just check the first link in the description for an amazing discount for your WordPress hosting for your next website. So just check the description and let's get started with today's video. So in that case, what we are doing, we have a domain in our Namecheap account and we want to connect it with our Bluehost hosting. So for that, just log into your account, your Namecheap account, then go to your domain list to whatever domain we want to connect to our Bluehost hosting, where we can add multiple domain in our plan. So this is the domain I am interested to connect. So I will click on the manage button of that domain, and then if you scroll down, you will find there is an option called name servers. So we just need to click on this and click on custom DNS. Then we need to put two name server of Bluehost. So this is the two name server. I will put the name server in the description. Just check the description and get those name server. Just copy them with those from .com. Okay, just paste it here. Then again, just the second one, you will find those in the description, and then again click on this save button. Okay, so this may take you 10 to 15 minutes. It actually say 48 hours, but it don't require 48 hours. So it may take 10 to 15 minutes to make the DNS applied to your domain, the Bluehost DNS. Then after that, what we will do, just go back to your Bluehost hosting plan and then go to the domain and go to assign option from your domain, from your left hand bar. Okay, then it will open the assign domain panel for us, and then we'll see what we can do here to add that domain to our Bluehost. So we can add a new, create a new individual website for that domain. So now you can see that you have to choose this one, use a domain that is not associated with your account. Then we have to put the valid domain name. Just copy the domain name from here. This is my domain name. Okay, then I will go there and paste it here. Okay, now it is showing that it is verifying the domain. It will see that if the DNS is properly connected. You can see ownership verified. As we put the DNS of the Bluehost already in the Namecheap, it is already showing us. So it will be an add-on domain. Okay, so it is a individual website. It is an individual website which will be learnwithjahin.com. So it will be selected as add-on domain. Then just use an existing directory. No, it should be always this option, create a new directory. Okay, then just click assign this domain. Okay, then click just assign this domain. Okay, click this assign this domain option. Okay, now if you go to the my domain, so let's check if it is already added. Okay, you can see it is already added. Now go to your my sites and click on create site, and then just put with this. Okay, and then click next, and which domain we want to add, this domain. Okay, so this is the domain that we want to add. Then click on, if you want to add those as an optional, just add them, or just I will just remove this one, this not required. Then click next. Then it will install the WordPress into this domain. Okay, then the setup will be done and we can create an individual website using that domain inside Bluehost. Okay, so now it is taking some time and it will just install the WordPress, and then we can log into our WordPress dashboard. Now just click on skip this step, we don't need it. Then click login to WordPress. Okay, so now we can see that there is a temporary domains URL in our dashboard. So how we can solve this? So you can reach out to Bluehost support, or you can go to my sites and find out the site. So this is my sites, learnwithjahin.com. Then I can go to that and click on setting, and then what I can do, I can just do it here. Okay, learnwithjahin.com, and then as you can see, this will be the URL. Okay, then you can just click on the save button, save updates here to solve this temporary domain issue. So then it will be saved, and we can, now we don't have the HTTPS, but you can add HTTP using WordPress plugins if you know how to do that using the SSL You can install the SSL certificate for free using WordPress plugins. So let's see if it is working and see if our site is up and running using this domain. So now you can see this is our domain, which is already working properly, but there is no SSL. We can enable the SSL later as well. So this is how to connect the domain from Namecheap with your Bluehost WordPress hosting. I hope that helps. If that helps, do smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and also let me know in the comment as well. So thank you very much for watching the video.